Alignment specialists know the problem.
Most of today's cars are not caster adjustable. In order to make the adjustment, you have to move the subframe or basically put it on a frame machine to get it to move the way you want it to move.
It's a frustration for technicians and their customers.
Yeah, I mean, you can't fix them. I mean, what's the point in messing with them? You know, you do the best you can, and you can spend 2 or 3 hours messing with them and get them as good as you can possibly get them, and they're not right. The customer's not going to be happy, and they come back with a complaint, and they're right to complain because you didn't do it right. You just did it the best you could.
Now there's a solution. Caster Master.
A lot of unibody cars, the only way to adjust them is with this new system. Before, you had to use aftermarket kits or take it to an actual body shop to do a frame adjustment. Now the frame adjustment is right there underneath the car. Put it underneath the car, make your adjustment, corrections are made, customer's happy, prices are made.
Caster Master allows you to do the job right.
You can offset some things to allow the vehicle to drive correctly, but by doing that, you're going to obviously create a wear problem to compensate for it. So this allows you to do the job right. I mean, and that, I guess that's the clearest way to put it. It allows you to properly do the job.
Now you can do it right. Now you can do it right. You can do it right the first time.
The Caster Master works on all vehicles and solves even your tough challenges.
I had a Toyota Avalon that hit a curb really hard on the right-hand side. It pushed the wheel clear up into the wheel well. After I'd replaced all the parts that I could find that were bad, I still had a bad caster angle on the right-hand side. The car was definitely going to pull right. There was no doubt about it. That's when I heard about this tool. My shop manager told me that they'd come out with something new and you don't have to take it to the frame shop to do it. I said, okay, let's try it. We put it on there and moved it right off the bat. I mean, it didn't take anything at all. I'd fought that car for at least a couple hours beforehand trying to do it myself, and it wasn't going to move. I put this machine on there, and like I said, after about 30 minutes of setup, it moved it, it got it exactly where I wanted it. Car drove perfect.
The Caster Master is designed to last.
Definitely, the product's made with good steel, good push rams. Person will have the machine paid for in a normal atmosphere in a year's time. It would pay for itself. And then after that, you're looking at profits with a machine that would last 20 years.
Very high quality tool. It appears like it would have absolutely no maintenance to it at all.
Oh, that thing's built stout. It's definitely stout.
The Caster Master is easy to use.
Learning curve on this, one shot. You do the process one time, you got it down.
It only took about 30 minutes to learn how to use the Caster Master. It was very simple.
I mean, just boom, boom, pick it up and you're on there. Yeah, bolt it down and go, and I mean, it was just, I mean, I'm actually not an intelligent person, so sometimes you have to show me pictures, but I didn't have to use pictures this time, so.
The Caster Master makes your customers happy because the car is fixed right and finished faster than ever before.
It saves a lot of time, a lot of money, because otherwise the car would be on the rack 2 or 3 times, going back and forth to frame shops, getting corrected. This way it's on the rack, getting corrected right there, right now, making the car drive right, angles are right, customers are happy, cars don't pull.
I think obviously in the alignment process, time is money. And so when you're looking at time, it becomes a great investment.
The Caster Master.
It works, it's so easy to use. I got the angles where I wanted them. The tool works.
I mean, I think it's gonna change the way alignments are done. You know, I mean, when you can actually fix a car right the first time around, every time, then that's gotta make a difference. It's gotta make a change.
Definitely. After seeing the machine work, I don't see any reason why anybody with an alignment rack doesn't have one.
For more information, contact your Caster Master representative.
Now, this thing worked.
It saves a great deal of time.
car drove perfect, and I was happy. The thing worked.
I've done this for 11 years as a master technician, and when I seen the product, I thought, well, why couldn't I have thought of it?